In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set TradingView Time Zone. Getting your time zone right is a small step that makes a big difference. It ensures your candles, indicators, and session times line up with the markets you care about, so you're not second-guessing when a move actually happened. First, open your chart in TradingView. Any symbol will do. Stocks, crypto, forex, it all works the same. Give the chart a second to load so all the axes and labels are visible. Now, look to the bottom right corner of the chart, along the horizontal time axis. You'll see the current time displayed there. This is the quick access point for time zones. If your layout is zoomed in, you may need to scroll or pan slightly to make sure you can clearly see that bottom axis, but it's always anchored in the lower right. Click the time display. A menu of time zones will pop up. It's a straightforward list that includes common zones by city and offset, like UTC, New York, and London, as well as your local time. Don't worry if the list looks long. Just focus on the zone that best matches how you trade or analyze. If you want your chart to reflect your day-to-day schedule, pick your local time. If you're tracking U.S. equities, choosing New York makes it easier to follow market opens and closes. For global consistency, many traders prefer UTC. Select the time zone you want. The moment you click it, the chart updates instantly. You'll see the timestamps on the time axis change to match your selection, and session-related visuals align accordingly. Nothing about your historical data changes, only how the time is labeled. This helps remove confusion when you compare notes with other traders or backtest strategies. A quick tip on daylight saving time. Zones like New York and London will shift automatically when DST changes, while UTC will remain constant year-round. If you collaborate with others in different countries, using UTC can prevent timing mix-ups. For crypto, which trades 24/7, sticking with UTC is also a popular choice. To confirm everything is set correctly, glance back at the bottom right of your chart and verify the time zone shown matches what you selected. You can also sanity check it against a known market open in that zone to make sure the labels align with your expectations. And that's it. Open your chart, click the time in the bottom right, choose the zone that fits your workflow, and watch your time axis update immediately. Simple, fast, and reliable.